Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your phone number on your Autotrader account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in autotrader.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Autotrader website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the login button at the top right corner and proceed forward with your credentials. Once you are logged in and taken into the home page, if you wish to change your phone number, just click on your account icon once again, and then click on Profile. From the Profile section, click on Update Information, and now you will see your first and your last name, as well as your zip code and your phone number. Just type in your desired phone number within the phone number section, and then click on Update Profile. After you click on this button, you might be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your phone. After entering this code by checking your SMS, you can proceed forward with verifying your new phone number. And once your new number has been verified, it will be changed and updated into your account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your phone number on your Autotrader account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.